Hi, it's Ann from Craft Drawer and also bookdrawer.com, where I'm talking about the perfect lightweight, low maintenance, easy to move garden fountains today. These are smaller fountains for your yard and garden that you can put in. It can be a small area, a small patio, a larger yard just for a smaller space, something not real big. You can easily find the right garden fountain for your small space, garden or patio. You want to find a lightweight garden fountain that you can move in and out uh, um, during the year, because you might want to move it into a storage space when it gets cold out. Like if you live in a cooler area that gets a lot of snow, you probably want to protect your fountain instead of just putting a cover over it, which you can do that too if you prefer. Um, just to let you know, if you want to, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel before you leave this video. In the meantime, let's talk about these lightweight outdoor fountains. They're low maintenance, easy to move, and attractive. They're easy to lift, place, and move to relocation or storage. They're available in solar with battery. There's electric options. There's different styles, rustic, modern, urn, natural looking ones. The solar fountains include a battery backup, and they're not expensive to run, so you don't have to have them plugged in all the time. You can get a variety of designs from vase lookings to natural, and ones that you can run water with solar lights at nighttime if you prefer. So let's take a look at some of the fountains. This is a little bit more expensive. I'll show you some of the less expensive fountains, but this one does include free shipping. It's a cascading mountainside outdoor water fountain with LED lights. It's about 35 inches tall. Let me show you the video so you can kind of see what it looks like when it's running. That's the water feature. You can run the water feature if you want. You can sit outside without it on if it's something that you want to kind of just turn on occasions. This fountain includes electric submersible pump with power cord and LED. There's bright white LED lights that will illuminate the water flow. Let me take you through some of the pictures. Now you can kind of see the lights on display, and there's some more details. This is a fountain that's made of poly resin that replicates the natural driftwood and rocks, and it gives you all the details and specs. And I'm going to take you to the other outdoor fountains on the website. And don't worry, I'll have links below to kind of tell you I'll show you my review of some of these fountains, and also I'll go over the links to all the different types of fountains available and answer some more questions for you. But on the website that we're on, these are Sunny Days fountains. These solar fountain, they have solar fountains. The solar fountains have a water feature with low operating costs. Some of them are a little bit larger and maybe cost a little bit more. You can obviously go on the website and shop all of them. Here's the lightweight fountains that we'll be talking about. Those are the ones that are easier to move and a little bit less expensive. There's also tiered fountains, which come in all different sizes, large. These are very elegant looking. And here's some rock waterfall fountains, which is kind of give you the nature-inspired charm for your outdoor space. There's also, excuse me, outdoor wall fountains. There's wooden fountains also that gives kind of a little more natural looking. There's stone garden fountains. There's bird bath water fountains. That's really nice for the birds. It's kind of an extra feature. And then there's also water fountain accessories that you can add, like lights and covers and cleaners and things like that. Water fountains have been around forever. I mean, they go back to ancient times. So let's go into the lightweight outdoor water fountains. They're low maintenance, easy to move and attractive, easy to lift. Let's see. Let's go into and show you some of the different types. There's a tiered water fountain. There's a blue ceramic base outdoor water fountain. As you can see, the prices will vary. Here's a boy and girl. I'll show you this one just out of curiosity. It's a boy and girl with birds at Birdbath Outdoor Water Fountain. It's a little more rustic looking. Let's go back and I'll show you a couple more. Here is a cascading tree stump water fountain that has a planter and let's see, LED lights. Let's show you the video for that one. So you can see it, they have it shown next to a chair or sofa outdoors, and you can kind of see that it's, you know, it's smaller. This one's 15 inches wide by 14.5 in diameter and about a little over 35 inches high. It weighs about 23.6 pounds. It's a 5.5 gallon water capacity, and it's made of poly resin. I'll show you some more pictures on that one. Then there are also like this owl. There's this owl fountain, which is really cute. That one's only 29 inches. Kind of you can get it to match your decor if you like something more in like a gray. Again, most do have videos so you can kind of see what they're all about. Some of the outdoor fountains come with lights, some don't. There's a little more unique looking fountains like this copper flower petals with 5-tier leaves, an outdoor water pump. Includes the electric pump with it. This is a little more, and it all depends on what you can hear a little different sound with that one. So this depends what you like, and you'll see that some of these are on sale right now. The majority of them, I would say all of them have free shipping on them. You have a little bit more contemporary fountains like this double helix outdoor water fountain. Let me show you what that one looks like on the video. There it is lit up at nighttime, which is kind of a neat way to add a little extra lighting to your outdoor space. This one is also on sale. You save $95.95. Ships for free. There are dual cascading rock falls outdoor gardens. Here is an enchanted wishing well outdoor water fountain. That one's also on sale. Let's take a look at that one. So as you can see, there are many unique different types of fountains ranging in price. Here's a unique one, a fire hydrant and hose outdoor water fountain. That's really cute. Wasn't that a unique idea for a yard? Also kind of like a conversation piece when you have people come over. There are also less expensive fountains like this Gnome Water Committee outdoor water fountain decor with LED lights. Now let's take a look at that one and see how that one works. So no matter what your style or taste is, you'll be able to find a fountain that you'll really find amusing or comforting or just to enjoy or to decorate your yard or a small corner of your yard. So take a look at all these different fountains available, from grotto waterfalls fountains to fish outdoor water fountains. There's so many to choose from. There's Jack and Jill farmhouse style. There's a frog. There's just different kinds of mystical waterfall ones. There's an orb. Let's see, rocky ravine. So there's a little bit of something for everyone. There's rustic cascading whiskey barrels, cascading pottery bowls, a hollow log. There's a splashing ducks one. This is really cute. I like this one. Like I said, they're all good investment. You can have them. They have for years. They have a 1-year warranty on them. So if anything goes wrong, you can contact where you purchased them from through my link and work out the warranty details with them. Like I said, these all ship for free. They're just so cute to have in your backyard or comforting and relaxing. Especially now, you can just enjoy something different in your backyard, and maybe you're remodeling your backyard and adding some patio furniture. There's also some other things on the website. There's hammocks, outdoor living furniture, there's fire pits that you can take a look at also. So whatever you're looking for, so take a look, visit our website through the link, and go through some of the features and ideas for the outdoor small space or even a larger space that you're looking to fill a little corner niche in. And take a look at all the lightweight fountains and other fountains in case you're looking for larger fountains or solar fountains or like all the other outdoor fountains that we went over before. Just explore all the categories in the outdoor fountains and take a look. I'm sure you'll find something that you're looking for and enjoy. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Again, like I said, we'll leave some of the links for all these outdoor fountains in our links. And please don't forget to subscribe. We'll be reviewing things and talking about more ideas for yard, gardens, crafts, and other items and ideas on our YouTube channel in the future. Thanks again for watching, and have a great summer.